Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be making hair growth oil from at home. The first ingredient we're going to use is our olive oil. All the ingredients used in this making will be listed in the description below along with their measurements. The next we're going in is our coconut oil. We're going to measure out our coconut oil. Also the measurements will be in the description. After we're done measuring, we'll pour it into our container. Then we top it up with our sunflower oil. This is to make sure the oil is not too heavy but lightweight. And then we stir properly. We want to keep stirring to make sure that the oils dissolve and marinate within themselves. Then next we go in with our rosemary, our clove, and bay leaf. Then we're going to crush all these herbs together so it's easier for them to infuse with our mixed oil. After we're done doing that, we're going to pour in our oil and herb. We're going to mix them together in order to move to the next phase. And we're going to stir properly. We're going to make sure that the oil and the herb mix properly. After that, we're going to put this into a boiling pot. We're going to parboil this mixture for 30 minutes. This is to help the oils and the herb infuse better. It helps extract the nutrients from the herb, infusing it with the oil, so when applying it to your hair, it's going to perform its duty. This is 15 minutes after checking in. I had to change the container because the previous one I was using was melting. It was melting, so I had to change the container. After we're done heating for about 30 minutes, you let this cool down a little, not too cold, not too hot, but you just want to make sure it's at a room temperature. There you go again to stir, check the herbs, just stir and make sure everything marinates properly, and then we store it in a properly disinfected container with a tight lid cover. We're just going to pour in our infused herb mixture into this container. Then, as you can see in this video, I'm scraping the leftover roseberries in the plate so I can add them in. We just do this so nothing goes to waste. So yes, we're going to go in with the rest of the rosemary herbs into our container and then cover the lid. So this is how you make your homemade hair growth oil from scratch. But we're going to make sure that this herb infuse further for about 2 to 4 weeks before you finally strain the herb from the oil. Mind you, during this period of 2 to 4 weeks, you want to make sure you shake it at least every day, at least once a day. You just want to make sure you just give it a little shake so it helps the oil and the herb mixed properly together. So yes, this is how you make your homemade hair oil from scratch with just simple ingredients. You don't have to like break the bank before you achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. So yes, thank you very much.
Ah, you're still.
Watch out for the next video. That's reminding, in the next video we're going to be using this infused oil to make hair butter. So please watch out, stay tuned, subscribe and follow. Thank you. God bless you. Ciao.